Yin-Yang breathing guided meditation to restore balance. Welcome to a quiet morning or a still, silent night. Today, you've chosen to give yourself a few minutes just to breathe. No reasons, no goals. Only this moment, held gently in your breath. The practice you're about to explore with Tao of Healing comes from an ancient Eastern tradition. It helps harmonize the Yin and Yang energies within, soothe the nervous system, open the flow of qi, and awaken your vital energy, rising from the lower Dantian and spreading through your body. You can do this practice in the morning to awaken and energize, or before bedtime, to gather your qi inward, calm the spirit, and ease into sleep. Whatever time you choose, trust that it is the right time for your body. Let's begin. Sit upright. Relax your shoulders. Soften your forehead. Let the whole body gently release, as if a leaf were floating down through the air. Now raise your right hand. Gently press your right nostril with your thumb. We'll inhale through the left nostril, slowly, deeply, and hold the breath in the lower abdomen, the Dantian, for as long as it feels comfortable. Then exhale through the right nostril, smoothly, steadily, like a wisp of smoke disappearing into the air. Now switch sides. Close the left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, slowly, deeply. Hold the breath for a moment and exhale through the left nostril. That is one full round of breath. We'll go through 2 rounds together. Slow, deep, and gentle. Round 1. Use your right hand to gently close your right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril, slowly, deeply. Feel the cool air passing through your nose, down your throat, and into your lower belly. Hold it there, softly, as if a small lantern has just been lit inside your belly. Now switch hands. Close your left nostril. Exhale through your right nostril. Gently, like a quiet breeze leaving the forest. Round 2. Keep your hand as is. Inhale through the right nostril. This is Yang energy entering. Warm, light, and full of life. Switch sides. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left, softly, as if releasing the leftover worries from your heart. Round 3. Inhale through the left nostril, steady and full. Feel the breath nourishing each of your internal organs. Exhale through the right, letting go of all the nameless fatigue. Round 4. Inhale through the right nostril as if receiving the energy of earth and sky. Exhale through the left and let your body return to its natural, peaceful rhythm. Now lower your hands. Breathe naturally. Feel the gentle movement of energy inside you. Everything is becoming soft, light, and deeply real. We now enter the second set of breathing. If the first set was to calm the body, this second one is for truly listening to yourself with fewer words and more sensing. You may gently close your eyes and let the breath guide your way. Begin a new round. With your right hand, softly close your right nostril. Inhale through the left, slowly, deeply, as if you're standing in a vast field of grass. taking in a full breath of wild herbs and rich earth. Hold the breath for a while and feel your lower belly expanding with warmth and fullness. Switch hands. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right, slowly, gently, like a drifting cloud that leaves no trace. Inhale through the right, deeply, as if you're drawing in light, vitality, and the essence of life itself. Hold the breath as long as it feels right, not forcing, just keeping it softly, like cradling a hidden treasure within you. Exhale through the left, letting go of every thought, every burden you no longer need to carry. Now there's only you and the wind dancing across an open field. Inhale through the left, full and deep, as if receiving a sacred gift. Now gently lower your hands. Let the breath come and go on its own. Feel your body expanding and your heart settling into stillness. You've just guided yourself through a gentle journey, slow, quiet, yet deeply restoring. Each round of breath is a moment of healing. Each breath you take is a way home to yourself. No need to try, just be here. If it's morning, let this clarity stay with you as you step into your day. If it's evening, let this breath carry you into deep, peaceful sleep. We'll meet again in another breathing practice whenever the time feels right for you. At Tao of Healing.